You want to learn more about wanna? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi everyone, I'm Scott from That's English School. Today, we're going to learn about wanna. Here is today's lineup. Now first, we'll talk about want to and wanna. Next, we'll talk about want-a and wanna. Next, 2 pieces of advice. And then 5 songs with the word wanna in the title. And finally, I'll give you 10 example sentences of using wanna. Okay, let's get started. Wanna is divided into 2 parts. Okay, we have want-a wanna and we have want to wanna. So today, first we're going to concentrate on want to. Let's look at how want to becomes wanna. So you have want, to, and they join together and they become wanna. Here is the grammar setup. Okay, now, so we have 2 tables as you can see. So the top table, we can use the personal pronouns I, you, they, and we. So those 4 personal pronouns can be used with wanna for want to. But if you look down below, we cannot use wanna with he, she, it, or a name. In that case, you have to use the full form of want to. Here's an example. I want to go to the movies. I want to go to the movies. Do you want to go to the movies? Do you want to go to the movies? Want-a can also become wanna. So how is it made? So we have want, a, and basically they join together and become wanna. Here is the grammar setup for wanna using want-a. So the same as before, the personal pronouns I, you, they, and we can be used in this case. Want-a can become wanna. But if you look down below, we cannot use for he, she, it, or a name. In those cases, you have to use the full form of want-a. Or in this case, wants-a. You have to add the little s. Wants-a, wants-a. Here are some examples. I want a new t-shirt. I want a new t-shirt. I don't want a beer right now. I don't want a beer right now. Okay, let's give you some advice. So the first point of advice is this. So make sure when you're using wanna, it's not in like a really formal situation, like in business or an academic situation. It could come across as being childish or disrespectful, immature, or it's just not very professional. So make sure you know the people first, and then you can use wanna once you get to know them. Now, for my second point of advice, it's about when you're using wanna for want-a. So you could say, I want a new t-shirt. So in this case, want-a, the a means one. So always, I want a is followed by a singular noun, just one thing. Here is a good example of how to use wanna. I want a new car. So in this case, I only want one car. I want a new car. I want a new car. A bad example of using this would be, I wanna clothes. I wanna clothes. So clothes is not only one. Clothes has a little s at the end. So clothes is plural, it's lots of clothes. So in this case, you would say, I want some clothes, or I want to buy clothes. So you cannot say, I want a clothes. You could say, I want a t-shirt, I want a hat, I want a jacket, because they are single items. But if you say, I want a shoes, I want a gloves, they are double or plural items, so you can't use wanna. Now, everybody loves music, so here are 5 songs which have the word wanna in the title. Bees, Don't Wanna Lie. Justin Bieber, I Don't Wanna Be Lonely. Zayn and Taylor Swift, I Don't Wanna Live Forever. Aerosmith, I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. Billie Eilish, I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore. So from those 5 songs, my favorite one would probably be Aerosmith and the song, I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. Which movie did this song come from? Armageddon. Armageddon came out about 21 years ago, I think. Quite a long time, but it was such a good movie, and what a great theme song. I Don't Want to Miss a Thing by Aerosmith. Here are 10 example sentences. I want to go home. We want a new teacher. This guy is awful. She wants to buy a new house next year. Do you want a slice of apple pie? They want to learn how to speak Chinese. Does he want a beer or a soft drink? I never want to ride a roller coaster again. My son wants a trumpet for his birthday. I don't want to miss this chance. This one tastes funny. I want a new one. Alrighty. So, are you gonna try and use wanna a little more in your English from now on? It really helps to make your English more smooth, faster, and a little bit more friendly. So you should try and use wanna a little bit more. The next video in the series is gonna be gotta. G-O-T-T-A. Gotta. If you want to improve your English even more, you should click over here. Thank you for watching, and I hope we're gonna see you in the next video.